Next month, Houghton County will reveal initial designs for a potential new jail site on Sharon Avenue. If voters approve a millage request in August, Houghton County will begin work on the new jailhouse. At that time, voters will also consider renewing the Canal View millage for another 4 years and may be prompted to consider an elder nutrition millage supporting Meals on Wheels. At Houghton's Commission meeting on Tuesday, community leaders discussed each potential request and how it may impact voting fatigue. With more is Q&A Bureau reporter Thomas Fournier.
A new jail site, continuing services at Canal View, and supporting Meals on Wheels may appear on election ballots in Houghton County in August. On Tuesday at the Houghton County Commissioners meeting, Chair Tom Ticknen invited the public to hear about the county's jail site plans at a special meeting next month.
And we want to move forward with that and make sure that we work with area groups to disseminate this information, get further input as quickly as possible. It is conceivable we could shoot to have something on the ballot in August.
Commissioners also heard from the Copper Shores leadership team, who hope to ask the county to collaborate to further fund Meals on Wheels in the region. In 2022, the Portage Health Foundation began managing the Copper Country Senior Meals Program, reforming Meals on Wheels under its own branch of the Copper Shores Community Health Foundation. While the program has made progress in feeding seniors in the community, demand for services continues to grow.
We serve currently about 300 seniors every day with home-delivered meals and at the Meet and Eat sites. These meals are a lot more than just a nutritional service, though. What they do is they provide seniors with about a third of the nutritional needs that they have for a daily allowance. That includes this hot meal, that includes sides, fruit and vegetables, milk, that kind of thing. We do a survey every year, and I just wanted to share a little bit of the data that's come back. We just did our survey this year for 2025, and 1 in 4 seniors that we are serving say basically that this meal is what keeps them alive.
Operating an essential program such as Meals on Wheels requires a large amount of funding to support delivery drivers, sourcing ingredients, paying kitchen staff, and employing coordinators to manage routes and field calls from seniors.
The interesting thing is that out of all the counties in Michigan, there are only 5 counties that do not have an elder nutrition millage. We currently have 2 of those 5 counties here in our community with Houghton and Canal County.
Copper Shores Executive Director Kevin Storr shared that the county would manage to collect funds from taxpayers and act as an auditor of the program, while Copper Shores continues to invest in Meals on Wheels, further stabilizing and enhancing Meals on Wheels so the program can have a larger impact and feed more seniors in Houghton County.
We've made huge investments in physical infrastructure, capital improvements, but quite frankly, as most of the agencies are finding, the rising costs are at a point that can't be the sole area of support that the foundation is focusing on. So we are looking for some community support with us, and we are asking the commission to function as that vessel in the event that the millage was supported by the community.
Commission Chair Ticknen expressed that adding another millage to the ballot may increase voter fatigue across polling places. He added that while he does see the impact Meals on Wheels provides to the community, Houghton County leaders have worked for quite some time to accomplish the jail project.
There's been 2 previous attempts to build this new jail. Time is ticking. Our people are working in horrific conditions next door. It's going to be an expensive project. We have, as a county, diligently moved to acquire property up on Sharon Avenue to provide, because the last time the initiative failed, it was the public felt perhaps that we didn't have a big enough site down here. We've worked diligently to get that site assembled into the City of Houghton, thanks to the City of Houghton's support on this. My great concern is that we're asking so much of the voters, the property owners of Houghton County. I'm not saying this to upset people. I'm as heartfelt as the next person.
With my UP News in Houghton, this is Thomas Fournier.